So many people are looking for ways to make money online for free because not many people have the money to make the investment. So today I bring to you 11 top ways to make money online for free. If you're interested in this video, keep watching to the end. Let's go. The first man, the first way to make money online is by being a virtual assistant. You can find work being a virtual assistant by signing up in places like Upwork and Indeed. You can find jobs there. You can just search to say job title, keyword to company. Just type virtual assistant. It's gonna pop up. There you go, virtual assistant, remote. You can work from home and you start making money as soon as possible. So find jobs, and they're gonna show you in the location where you are. Virtual customer service representative, remote part-time, apply now. And they say you're gonna be paid. You have a paid training, and you have daily, weekly, and monthly competition, 9 to 5. These are jobs are available right now, and you can start making money as soon as possible. Then you can also go to Upwork and you type virtual assistant. Upwork, type virtual assistant. Click enter, and right here this person has a profile that has had over 50,000 plus earned just by being a virtual assistant. 100% job success. Virtual assistant here. This one is executive assistant. This one is virtual assistant, but this one has 40,000 plus earned by being a virtual assistant. It's $5 per hour, and 100% job success, top rated. So you see, people are making money with this. So if you want to start making money as soon as possible, you can consider being a virtual assistant. The second way to make money online for free is by doing research online. You can go to Wonder. Wonder is another place that hires people to do research, and it says earn money using your brain, work when you want, learn, expand your resume. I don't know if you've heard about Wonder. I've used Wonder before. In my early days of trying to make money online, I found it a little bit do I say hectic, because um you need to know how to research in order to work in Wonder, and it's fast paced in order to get paid. So I was looking for something more passive income wise. That's why I decided to do something like print on demand, KDP. That means I don't have to, once I publish my design or publish my shirt, my design on my book, I can start making money without me fulfilling anything. But it's not like that with Wonder. With Wonder, you say visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. We'll assign you to a request to work on, find answers, resources. You see, you have to research something in order to make money. But it's also passive, not really passive. It's also a free way to make money online. Another way that you can do research to make money online is using 10 EQs. So it says leverage your expertise. If you're an expert in a niche, you can come here and answer questions, and you get paid to answer questions. So industry experts, leverage your industry expertise on demand on our client engagements, engage in paid consultations, and work with our consulting teams on interesting industry topics. So you register here, and if you're an expert, you get paid for your knowledge. So having being an expert in a niche is very, very important. You can even open a YouTube channel, but we're going to get to that. Let me not fast forward. So that was the second way. The third way is by transcribing audio and video files. The third way to make money online is by transcribing audio and video files. So on places like Rev, you can convert audio and video to text, and you get paid for it. So this one, transcription service, $1.50 per minute, captions $1.50 per minute, foreign subtitles $3.27 per minute, and trusted by 17,000 plus customers across all industries. While Rev, speedy delivery. So if you sign up here, you're gonna be assigned tax, and they're gonna pay you per word transcribed. The reason why I like working with transcription services is because um you can use a tool like in my early days. I tried Rev before. I was using the Google, do I call listening tool, speaking tool. I click on it, then I click play, and it hears what the video, it hears the words spoken, and it transcribes it. Then I just do a finishing touches, human finishing touches, and listen to the video again, and make sure that everything is all right with the text I just received from Google. So Google helped me a lot. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. There's a tool on Google. I think it's a speech to text tool. Yeah, on the Google document you can use that. It's very helpful. So you can start making money as soon as possible when you get accepted in Rev, the other platforms, and you can start making money immediately you get accepted. So the fourth way to make money online for free is by setting up a Patreon. So Patreon is like a membership platform where if you have a following, for example, if you're a YouTuber, if you have a following, you can send them to your Patreon to maybe donate. You can even offer them monthly membership. Here's the definition. It says on Patreon, you can let your fans become active participants in the work they love. By offering them monthly membership, you give them access to exclusive content, community, and insight into your creative process. In exchange, you get the freedom to do your best work and the stability you need to build an independent creative career. So before you have a patron, you need to have a following. Then you send them to the patron, and you have a monthly membership where they can pay every month, and you have passive income every month. So it's free, and that's why it lands on the free ways to make money online. So that was it for number four. The fifth way is by reviewing websites and apps. So I made use of websites like Thursbirds. There are other websites like Try My UI and usertesting.com. So on these websites, you share your opinion about maybe people's websites, people's apps, and things like that, and you get paid for it. So this is the first way that I really liked using um, to make money online because it was really, and they paid very often. So I think it was after you finish your tax. Well, it depends on the tax you're doing, but they paid often. So I like using these three websites here. So right here, this is the best way that I like using to make money online. Try my UI. I think they pay about $8. Let's read here. It says, oh, $10. $10. I think, yeah. It's been a while since I used it. It says get paid to use website and apps and give your honest feedback. I try my UI. We help make the web easier for everyone to use by letting designers and coders see the obstacles that real people run into on their sites and apps. All you have to do as a tester is be yourself. Use a test website exactly as you would in real life situation and voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so the developers can understand your experience. You'll be paid $10 for each task you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. Sign up now and start making money and start making the web a more user-friendly place. So this is where I learned to do voiceovers by testing websites and apps because when you're testing, you're giving your feedback. Like you're gonna click here and say, "Oh, I don't like this," or "Okay, I like this. I like that you have the um you have this on the top, not on the bottom." Things like that. Just so that I'm giving voiceovers, it's very easy to do. Is you when people when you have a test, they send you a notification. And you can click and you start answering immediately, and they send you your payment through PayPal. Yeah, right here. Every Friday, you see, every Friday through PayPal. So it's very a good way that I've used and I really liked. But I needed something more passive. That's why I started doing print on demand and KDP. So our next way to make money online, the sixth way to make money online is by being an affiliate. So being an affiliate is one of the um, also good ways to make money online for free because all you need to do is promote products to people and People purchase it and you receive a commission. So one of the biggest places that you can be an associate online is by using Amazon Associate. It says recommend products and commissions. And you know, many people love purchase on Amazon, and you don't really need to convince people to purchase from Amazon. So Amazon has this affiliate program where um, it has the frequently asked here. So it's very easy to sign up. You just click sign up and you sign up. And I think if you don't, you have a grace period of I think 180 days. During those 180 days, you need to make qualifying sales in order to be accepted into their program. I think you need to make three sales, then they're going to look at your application. They are going to be fully accepted into the program. But the 180 days is like a grace period that they will check if you can actually become if you can be fully accepted into your program. So Clickbank is another one that you can start making money as soon as you join. You just log in and you see a product that you want to recommend to people. You start recommending and you get commissions from it. The seventh way to make money online is by launching a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel, and by using YouTube, you have subscribers, and when you have 1,000 subscribers, you get monetized by YouTube or by Google because Google owns YouTube. You get monetized by Google, and you start getting paid for free just by making videos and putting it online. People watch, and you get paid. But you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be monetized on your channel. So on your channel, you can also put affiliate links. If you see, let me just show you one video here. If you see my video, putting in the page count. So a video like this, you see down here, I have affiliate links. These links, I talked about affiliate as one of the ways that you can make money online, right? So you see these links right here. If someone clicks on it and purchases it, I get commissions from it. It's very passive way to make money online, and but you need to have an audience that trusts what you say, because if people don't trust you, they're not gonna click on your links and purchase on it. So you need to be have an audience that people listen to you, and when you don't just promote randomly. You must promote things that you're using. So like me, these tools down here are things that I've used before. I use Fine Upload. You see, things that I use, I put them there. If people are interested in clicking it, they click it and they purchase it, and I get a commission from it. So that's one of the ways I can make money online using YouTube. And the next way is by participating in focus groups. So if you don't know what focus groups are, let's scroll up and do a quick definition. It says paid online focus groups make money at home participating in online focus groups and help influence the products and services of tomorrow. Virtually join a discussion with your peers and share feedback on product ideas, prototypes, or simply talk about your life experiences. All you need is a computer with a webcam and strong internet connection to get started. Apply to studies below and we'll send you more paid study opportunities. So you scroll down, you see focus group online. We're inviting people to take part in a paid online focus group exercise, and the study date March 13th. So this is where it's going to start. You can apply right now, and 8 hours, 30 minutes, you're going to receive 320 $25. So it's really a good way to make money online for free. You don't have to pay anything. You just need to have a webcam and camera. And you're gonna put in your 1 or 2 cents opinion about something, and you're gonna pay for it. So this one is $325. When it's $100, $75, 150, 50, 25. So that's so many opportunities that you can sign up and start making money as soon as possible. So, guys, if you're finding value in what I'm talking about, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. So, the ninth way to make money online is by becoming an online travel agent. So, I searched on Upwork and I saw this. I searched travel agent and I saw this person. Travel planner, 2,000 plus earned, 100% job success. You scroll down again, 30,000 plus earned. Travel specialist. So they deal with traveling. So becoming an online travel agent, you can see how much they have earned so far. And what do you do as a travel agent? So you get paid to help people plan vacations, personal travels, logistics, flight, and all the like. So you don't need any certification to become a travel agent. You just put your profile online like this, and you start making money. So you can also partner with different companies to get discounts on that you can offer clients, because people like discounts, they like free stuffs and things like that. So maybe if you put up a platform and you start talking to people on social media that, oh, if you're planning to travel, you can use this company. They have travel discounts, and you can start making money from there just by sending people from social media to the company's website, and you give them discounts and you start making money like this. So the last way to make money online is by selling photos online. So this is an example of a website where people post photos, and you get paid for it. So if you're a photographer or you just like taking pictures, you can set up sign up to websites like this. First, you still become a contributor. Let's click on that, and so reach a global audience by joining a community of photographers. So here's the thing: once you sign up, you upload your picture, you get a commission from someone downloading your pictures. So if you've noticed, you have free websites like I think iSplash, where you can download photos for free. They are free to you, but those who upload those pictures, they get paid for it. So which money making idea are you going to try first? Let us know in the comment section below. So guys, if you found this helpful, these are 10 ways that you can use to make money online. If you found it helpful, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about freelance and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.